You have seen these weird black spots on your wall or your ceiling and thought, is that mole? Well, it probably is. But what is mole exactly? And how do you get rid of it for good? Let's break it down.
Mold is a type of fungus that grows in moist, damp environments. It spreads by releasing tiny spores into the air, kind of like plant seeds. What makes it scary? It can grow on walls, ceilings, wood, fabric, and even paper.
Beside looking glossy, mold can cause serious health issues, especially if you have allergies, asthma, or weakened immune system. Here are some symptoms: coughing, sneezing, skin rashes, and headaches.
To find mold. If you smell something musty or earthy, that could be mold. But here are a few signs to watch for: discoloration on walls or ceilings, peeling paint or paper, and condensation or water damage spots.
Okay, you have found mold. Now what? Don't panic. Here's how you can clean it up. First, protect yourself by using your gloves and your mask. What you'll be using is white vinegar or a mixture of water, baking soda, and a little soap. Or you can use a commercial mold remover. Scrub with a stiff brush. Dry the hair completely using a fan or a blow dryer. Throw away anything that is badly infected. If the mold covers a large area or keep coming back, call a professional.
Prevention is key. Mold hates dry air and good airflow. Fix leaks as soon as possible. Use exhaust fans in bathrooms or kitchen. Run a dehumidifier in damp areas. Open windows whenever you can. Clean regularly and don't let moisture sit.
Mole is sneaky, but now you know how to find it, clean it, and keep it away. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more home tips, and drop your mole arrow story in the comment section. God bless. Thank you so much for making it Castle TV.